How to sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and you will get to see Apps option available there. Tap on it. Once inside the apps, all you have to do is simply scroll down and look for the calendar option available there and simply tap on it again. Then tap on the accounts option available there. You can see calendar accounts. Then if you have been already logged into Google, then that's fine, or else you can simply tap on the add mail option available or add account option available there and simply tap on the add. So now once you do so, you will get to see various options available there. From there, tap on the Google and all you have to do is sign in with your Google Gmail, email and password. Then allow access to your calendar, and you can also enable mail contact save and tap on the save button available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.